Hello, this is Dr. Pradeep Mahendrakar, Director of Micron Metropolis Healthcare, Panvel, Alibag and Goa. Today I am going to tell in brief about laboratory investigation in case of COVID-19 infection. Laboratory investigation plays a key role in diagnosis, treatment and control of COVID-19 infection. Currently there are 3 tests available in India. One is RT-PCR, second one is antigen, third one is antibodies against COVID-19. RT-PCR is most accurate test available currently. RT-PCR stands for real-time polymerase chain reaction. Here the samples are collected from oropharynx and nasopharynx, swabs through the swabs by a trained technician under PPE kit. The swabs which have been collected from nasopharynx and oropharynx, they are transferred to VMT, that is viral transport media, and this VMT kit they are sent to a processing lab under cold chain for 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. In processing lab, the viral content of viral in VMT, they are amplified into multiple copies and viral quantity is detected. So the presence of virus, if it is there, you will find multiple copies of virus. Absence of virus will not give any copies of RNA. Advantage of this test is this is very accurate, specific, and false negative are very rare. Disadvantage, this test is costly, time consuming and require a specific machine, and also not ordinary lab can do these tests. NABL accredited lab with a ICMR approved can only process these samples. Coming to the second test, that is viral antigen test. This test is a rapid test. Sample required here was also similar as that of RT-PCR, that is swabs are collected from oropharynx and nasopharynx. These swabs are later on put on the rapid CAR test. On the CAR test, you will detect whether the presence of antigen will give positive results. Absence of virus gives negative results. Advantage of this test is this is very simple, rapid and cheap compared to RT-PCR. Disadvantage, most of time or many of times these tests may give false negative results. It means suppose the person is infected with COVID-19, if you have got symptoms and the test turned out to be negative, it's called as false negative. And all these false negative has to undergo again RT-PCR for confirmation. Coming to the third test, that is antibodies against COVID-19. The test here, it is done through a blood sample, not by the throat or nasopharynx swabs. The antibodies test is not for diagnostic, it is just to know whether you have been exposed to COVID-19 virus or not. It is also used for serosurveillance. There are 2 types of antibodies commonly seen. One is IgM and second one is IgG. IgM start developing after 7 days of infection and last for 3 weeks. IgG starts from developing after 7 to 10 days of onset of infection and lasts for months to days. Presence of antibodies will give some protection to reinfection, but it doesn't mean that you have been completely protected from reinfection. To some extent it gives protection. It is not a passport to reinfection. The presence of antibodies in the plasma has been used for treatment of COVID infection because these antibodies will act against the virus and they will try to kill the virus. So antibodies test is not for diagnostic, it is just to know whether you have been exposed or recovered from COVID-19 infection. So these are the tests in brief for COVID-19 infection. Thanks a lot.